Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mina and I'm proud to have you here. In my previous video, we covered 10 essential daily phrasal verbs to help you navigate your daily conversations more fluently. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out after this one. Today we're diving into part 2 of our series on daily phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs are the key to speak more fluently and naturally. So without further delay, let's get started. The first phrasal verb on the list is bring up. Repeat. Bring up. Bring up. Bring up. It means to mention or introduce a topic into a conversation. It involves initiating a discussion about something. For example, she brought up the idea of going on a picnic. Next, we have look forward to. Repeat. Look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to. This phrase is used to express excitement about something that will happen in the future. It's like being very happy and waiting eagerly for that thing to happen in the future. Like, I'm looking forward to the upcoming concert. The next phrasal verb is run into. Repeat. Run into. Run into. Run into. It means to unexpectedly meet or encounter somebody or something. It can also refer to facing a difficulty or a problem unexpectedly. For example, I ran into my friend at the grocery store. Next phrasal verb is get along with. Get along with. Get along with. It's a perfect phrase to describe how well you interact with someone. It means to have a positive relationship with other people. For example, I get along well with my new coworker. It means we understand each other and we have no problems. Moving on to put off. Repeat. Put off. Put off. Put off. It means to delay or postpone something to a later time. Decide not to do something now, but to do it later. For example, don't put off studying for the test until the last day. Take after is an interesting verb. Repeat. Take after. Take after. Take after. It means to share similar traits or qualities with a family member. When you take after a family member, you may look, act, or have the same habits as that person. For example, she takes after her mother in terms of cooking. Moving on to break down. Repeat it. Break down. Break down. Break down. When something breaks down, it stops working properly. It experiences a failure. It can refer to a system, to a machine, or even emotions. It implies that something that was working smoothly has faced a problem. For example, the car broke down on the way to work. Another verb we're exploring today is go through. Repeat. Go through. Go through. Go through. It means to check out something or looking at something very carefully. It can also mean to experience a hard, challenging time. For example, he's going through a tough time after losing his job. Another verb I want you to learn is set up. Repeat. Set up. Set up. Set up. Set up is an essential verb which means to start or create something. It also means to arrange or organize something. It's like organizing things so that they work together. For example, they set up a surprise party for her. They are organizing things to make the party. And last but not least, the verb turn out. Repeat. Turn out. Turn out. Turn out. It means the end result or the outcome of a situation. It's how things end up after a process or a series of events. For example, the concert turned out to be a huge success. And there you have it, guys. 10 more phrasal verbs to add to your English vocabulary. Remember, using these phrasal verbs can help your English sound more fluent and you can express yourself with more details. Don't forget to use them in your everyday conversations. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my new upcoming videos. Until next time, keep improving your English and studying by watching one of these videos here. See you next time.